Student Union election is in full swing right now. Today is when voting has already begun right here at the School of Languages and Literature. This is the building where the voting is currently underway. Around 9,000 voters have turned up and are expected to be casting their votes for the Student Union election. And as you can see right now, the very colorful visuals that we're showing you, this is the campaigning that is still on. So students are still allowed to campaign for their respective groups and parties at this point, student groups. We do understand that student bloc of the left has come together and is participating and contesting in the elections as one unit. This consists of the ISA, the SFI and the DSF. So 20 students and candidates are at large in participation in contesting and vying for the main posts, for the main central panel posts. And we also know that at this point from the SFI, from ISA, the presidential candidate remains of Aditi Mishra. There's also Danish, so a lot of representation of women also here, in fact, and a lot of campaigning still going on. We do know that from ABVP, that is the right-wing side, the main contestant for the presidential post remains that of Vikas Patel, and the campus saw a very fiery debate that happened late at night yesterday, and this debate saw people like Vikas bringing up issues of Dalits and women in the campus, of women's health in the campus as well. Let us get talking to some of the people here and understand what exactly is the mood of the people here. Hi, tell us your name and what sort of change are you looking forward to from these elections?
Actually, I want ABVP because इतने दिन से लेफ्ट चल रहा है और कुछ डेवलपमेंट नहीं हो रहा है, प्रोग्रेस नहीं हो रहा है. अगर हम इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर देखें स्कूल्स का तो बहुत खराब हो रखा है और मतलब वीसी से फंड लाना होता है तो लेफ्ट वाले ला नहीं पा रहे हैं. पता नहीं, छोटे छोटे प्रोटेस्ट करते रहते हैं लेकिन उनका डिमांड नहीं करते वीसी से प्रोटेस्ट की. तो एबीवीपी को अभी सेंटर में भी बीजेपी है तो ज़्यादा ईजी होगा.
So as you can see here, some of the students here believe that there needs to be a lot more change to come into the campus at this point. Let us see if we can get in a word from some other students here. Hi, tell us your name and what sort of changes are you looking forward to in the campus after these elections?
I cannot hear you. Can you please repeat?
Tell us your name and what sort of changes are you looking forward to after these elections?
Okay, so my name is Swada. I am from BA second year, and the first thing that I will look in the change that I will look in the campus is the safety of the campus, the gender justice which should be present in every campus. JNU is known as the safest campus, but we see that 30 sexual harassment cases has been registered in the past year. So my the party which I belong from and the presidential candidate that I am supporting will bring that change. We will fight for GS Cash. We will fight for GS Cash, and other than that, we will look to revive the culture of debate, decent. We will look to, we will diminish this violence that is going on.
Thank you. So as you can see clearly, the students here are very passionate about the democracy being the heart out here. The student was just talking about debate and dissent to emerge again from the university. JNU Student Union elections have been historic, and to be known as elections that bring about the voices of dissent and democracy to the forefront. With camera person Kana and Patra, this is Tanushka Datta for NDTV.